Yeah, a little demonstration of my wheel horse, air horse aircraft tug. Mechanically, this is in great shape. I plan on restoring the body this winter. I just picked this up from Valparaiso, Indiana. It's probably the best little tug you can get. It's very capable. I think the maximum towing rate's around 25,000 pounds, so you can haul whatever you want with it. But basically, they took an old wheel horse, took off the front end, converted the regular drive to a hydraulic pump that runs off the main crankshaft. That's an old cast iron Kohler 17 horse twin engine, or twin cylinder engine. It's nice, these old tractors, everything's easy to get to. So it's all there, pretty straightforward. It has two 35 watt lights on the front. I'm going to put 4 LEDs here, 2 to point at the wings and 2 to point straight ahead at the plane. But yeah, real simple. You can get parts for these anywhere, these engines. And it's hydraulic drive instead of the normal gearing. When they converted it, they even made a new faceplate for it, showing how to operate it for aircraft use. So, like I said, cosmetically, it's not real good condition, but it's all here. I'll give you a little demo of how to. You can either drive it from sitting on the regular seat if you're going forward, but if you're moving aircraft, you sit on the hood. And it's pretty straightforward. You just step on it, turn the key on. It's a Polish lawn tractor. And you just turn the key. Oh, you have your foot on the brake here. Fires right up. Now, if we were loading an aircraft, we just need to engage the clutch. That engages the hydraulics. I'm going to leave the throttle down so you can still hear me, but let's say we're backing up to an aircraft. It's all hydrostatic, so you just come up, give it a little throttle to run the... Then you just engage this lever here. That drops the jaws. Then they automatically spread. Then you can back up to the tire. Then you just pull the lever the other way. They go together and lift automatically. That's fully engaged. Then to drive it, you just drive it like a normal tractor. It steers with all using hydrostatic. Disengage the clutch. That's all there is to it. So it's all hydraulic hydrostatic drive. And again, this is fully automatic too. You just pull the lever until this goes down. It automatically spreads apart. back up to your tire, pull the lever the other way, and it lifts it. I couldn't be happier for what I paid for this. About the same price as a handheld push unit, and according to the people I've talked to, you can be on ice and snow and this will just go. There's so much weight right there. The unit weighs about 1,800 pounds. So pretty neat. I'm pretty excited about this. It's a nice little unit. Like I said, we're going to paint it up, make it look new in the winter. So again, it's the Wheel Horse Air Horse tractor. I think Tiffin Air out of Ohio still builds these, but they use John Deere. So there you are.